Are you looking for the best forced air heaters? Forced air heaters are a practical solution for rapidly warming garages, workshops, and larger spaces where ambient heat is insufficient. They bridge the gap between portable electric heaters and larger fuel-based systems by offering fast heat with portable convenience. In this review, I test and compare 5 representative models across electric and propane categories to reflect real-world usage. Product number 1. Air Choice 1500W Space. Overview. The Air Choice 1500W Space Heater is a compact, lightweight electric heater designed for indoor use with 3 heat modes, 1500W, 750W, and natural wind, and a thermostat. It emphasizes portability, 3.87 pound, and a 90-degree tilt mechanism to direct heat where needed. Certification and safety features include ETL certification and overheat protection, and the unit ships with a relatively long 80-inch power cord for flexible placement. Its 1500W PTC ceramic element aims for quick warm-up and sustained output within 150 square foot heating coverage, making it well-suited for bedrooms, home offices, and small studios. Performance-wise, this model delivers solid warmth quickly due to its PTC ceramic heater and fan-assisted distribution. The 90-degree tilt adds usability in directing heat toward workspaces or plants in a greenhouse setup. However, as a small electric heater with a modest 1500W max, it's best for spaces under 150 square feet and may struggle in drafts or uninsulated rooms. The included thermostat offers stable control within a plus or minus 3 degrees Celsius range, but users should monitor energy. Product number 2. Mr. Heater MH60 QAVF60 Overview. The Mr. Heater MH60 QAVF is a propane-powered portable forced air heater rated up to 60,000 BTU with variable output 30,000 to 60,000 BTU and a stated heating capacity of up to 1,500 square feet. It features QBT technology aimed at quieter operation and continuous ignition for uninterrupted startup. This unit is designed for outdoor or semi-outdoor use, with a robust footprint suitable for garages, job sites, and larger spaces that lack reliable electrical power. Operating on propane and requiring a 115-volt connection for fan operation, it represents a classic mid to large space heater with strong heat output. In real-world use, the MH60 QAVF excels at rapidly raising temperature in larger or poorly insulated areas. The 14-hour runtime on a 20-pound tank at low setting is a practical reference for planning, though actual burn times vary with weather, insulation, and venting. The unit's 19.75 by 11.5 by 13.5 inch profile is manageable in a garage corner, but it is not intended for indoor residential living spaces due to propane combustion byproducts. Product number 3. DuraHeat EU H1465 Electric. Overview. The DuraHeat EU H1465 is a compact electric forced air heater, delivering 1,500 watts of PTC ceramic heating in a rugged steel cabinet with a pivoting base. It includes a built-in thermostat, simple heat and fan modes, and overheat protection. Its 250 square foot coverage makes it suitable for small garages, workshops, or utility rooms. The steel construction suggests durability in workshop environments, while the 4.4-pound weight aids portability between work zones. Performance-wise, the EU H1465 provides reliable warmth for enclosed spaces up to about 250 square feet, with a straightforward control set that suits users seeking basic, dependable heat. The pivoting base offers flexibility in directing air, which is helpful when the heater sits near a tool bench or workstation. However, as a single-speed unit, it lacks the refined user experience of multi-speed models and may struggle in very drafty spaces. The metal product number 4. Inocraft Max Heat MH125 125 Overview. The Inocraft MH125 is a high-capacity propane forced air heater rated at 125,000 BTU with automatic 25 to 95 degree Fahrenheit on-off control. It targets large garages, construction sites, and industrial spaces up to 3,200 square feet and ships with a 10-foot hose. This unit emphasizes automation and safety features, including auto shutoff protections and CSA certification, while delivering rapid heating via a heavy-duty forced air fan.
In day-to-day use, the MH125 delivers quick, pervasive warmth across expansive areas, with the 10-foot hose enabling flexible venting and heater placement away from occupants. The auto on-off control provides convenience in maintaining a set temperature range, and the 125K BTU output makes it a strong choice for uninsulated or large spaces. On the downside, propane units require fuel logistics, fuel storage Product number 5. Dreo Space Heater. Overview. The Dreo HSH006 is a compact 1500-watt electric space heater with a tower form factor, remote control, 12-hour timer, 5 heat modes, and a comprehensive safety package: tilt detection, overheat protection, and flame retardant materials. It emphasizes quiet operation, 34 decibels noise level, and an extended reach of warm air due to a refined heat funnel design. The unit claims 200 square feet coverage and includes a memory function and child lock for safer daily use. Performance-wise, the HSH006 prioritizes a balance of warmth and quietness, making it ideal for bedrooms, home offices, and small living spaces. The multiple modes, including eco and fan only, help optimize energy use, and the remote plus timer add convenience for regular routines. Its 12.5A 120-volt specification aligns with typical household outlets, reducing power concerns. Some users may want higher heat output in colder climates